Control your 5E. Number 1. Your emotions. Your emotions are powerful waves, but you are the ocean. Temporary storms shouldn't sink your ship. Emotional mastery isn't about suppressing feelings. It's about channeling them with precision. The strongest warriors aren't those who never feel. They're those who feel deeply but choose wisely. Remember, great decisions are made with a clear mind, not a heated heart. Number 2. Your ego. Ego is the invisible anchor that holds you down when you were born to rise. Ego isn't confidence. It's a mask for fear. It whispers, "You already know enough." When growth demands you stay curious, the higher you rise, the quieter you must become, because greatness doesn't need to shout. Surround yourself with those who sharpen you, not those who only praise you. Number 3. Your energy. Energy is your internal currency. Spend it wisely, or stay broke in spirit. You only get so much mental, emotional, and physical fuel each day. Don't waste it on things that don't grow you. Toxic people, pointless scrolling, negative self-talk, all of these are thieves of your fire. Rest isn't weakness, it's preparation. Because when your energy is right, your vision gets clear, your pace gets stronger, and your results become unstoppable. Number 4. Your excuses. Excuses are lies dressed as reasons. They protect comfort, not growth. Every time you say, "I'll start tomorrow," you're giving your future away to your fears. Excuses feel safe, but they build invisible chains that hold you back from becoming who you're meant to be. So when your mind starts crafting an excuse, interrupt it with action, no matter how small, because every step you take in ownership is a step out of average and into excellence. Number 5. Your environment. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. If your circle doesn't inspire you, it will expire you. You can't rise to your dreams in a space that tolerates laziness. Surround yourself with those who demand your best. Even when you don't feel like giving it, your environment is either lifting you or limiting you. Choose wisely.